Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new recipe. Today we're going to make an easy dinner recipe. It's called Gujarati Masala Bhaat. And this is special because it's super easy to make, healthy, light on the tummy, and it requires very few ingredients. You don't need to cut any onions or get a ginger garlic paste ready. If you keep some mixed frozen vegetables in the fridge, it's even more easier. So for more such recipes, do subscribe to my channel and click the bell, and let's jump right in. So in a pan, I've heated some ghee on medium high. I'm using a pressure pan here, and into it we'll add some cloves, cinnamon, cumin seeds and asafoetida. Now we'll cook this for a few seconds until the spices give out their aroma. Once that's done, we'll add in the veggies. Now I've cut potatoes and carrots into cubes and added some green peas to this. Let's saute the vegetables for a few seconds. Now once the vegetables are sauteed, we'll add some masalas, that's red chilli powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste and garam masala powder. Once the masalas are added, you just need to bring the temperature down and then saute it for a few seconds. So I've sauteed the vegetables nicely. Now it's time to add the basmati rice, which I've soaked for 30 minutes and then drained. Add in the basmati rice to the mixture, and we'll need to cook this for a few minutes by sauteing it. So I'm going to saute this for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes nice and dry. So once the rice has been sauteed, we add in hot water. I've added it in 1:2 ratio. So for 1 cup of rice, you add 2 cups of water. So I've added the hot water in. You're going to mix everything, clean the sides of the pan. And all that is left to do is on high flame, you pressure cook this for 2 whistles and the rice will be ready. So once the pressure is released, you can open the cooker and then your masala bhaat will be ready. You can serve this with some plain raita and pickle, and the dinner will be done for the day. So do try this recipe at home and let me know how you found it. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.